Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Dgme employee account from a computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Dgme employee account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Opera browser, you can see, and on the search bar click over there and type in Dgme login like this and hit enter. And after that, on the Google search result, you will need to find the web address with the webapps.dolgen.net. This is the one. You can see I'm hovering over here and click over there, and you can see our two websites has been opened. Let's close one of these, and you can see now to log into your Dgme account from a computer, you will be required to enter your login ID, your legal first name and last name, which are your initials, and after that you'll be required to enter your password over here, and after that click on login button to sign into your Dgme employee account from over here. Or if you are a first-time user, or if you have not yet created an account on Dgme or $Golden employee login, click on register now over here to go through the sign up process. Or if you don't know your EID, click on look it up here, click over there, and you'll be required to log in your username, and then you will go through the procedure where you will find out your EID. Or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot password over here on the top right corner of the dialog box to go through a procedure to reset your password. And then guys, this is how you log into your Dgme employee account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.